Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to revise our chapter 5, Understanding Elementary Shapes. Today we are going to revise about the types of triangles. Types of triangles. In the types of triangle we have a first equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle in which this is the equilateral triangle. In the equilateral triangle, all the three sides are of this side equals to this side equals to this side. All three sides are equal, and the angle of an equilateral triangle are also equal. This angle is equal, this angle is equal, and this angle is equal. So all the angles are of 60 degree each. So this is the equilateral triangle. Second is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. In the isosceles triangle, two sides are said to be equal. If we talk about this side equals to this side. The triangle in which two sides are equals are called the isosceles triangle. And the isosceles triangle, the angle opposite to the equal side are called the base angle. The angle opposite to the equal side are the base angle. So we have three types of isosceles triangle. This is the acute isosceles triangle. If we talk about this is the right isosceles triangle in which this side equals to this side, and this side equals to this side. So this is the obtuse isosceles triangle. So in this we have a three isosceles triangle. We first is acute, second is right, and third is obtuse. Third is scalene triangle. Third is scalene triangle. In scalene triangle, all three sides are unequal. So these triangles are of scalene triangle. No two angles in a scalene triangle are equal. No two angles can be equal. All angles are of different, and all sides are of different. So this is what we have read about the triangles. Now we will discuss about the quadrilaterals. We have discussed about the quadrilaterals. These are about the triangles, and next we are discuss about the quadrilaterals. Types of quadrilaterals. Types of quadrilateral. First we will discuss about the trapezium in front of you. We draw a trapezium. This is the trapezium A, B, C, D. Trapezium with one pair of parallel sides. One pair of parallel, this side will be parallel to this, so we can say that AB is parallel to DC. So ABCD is the trapezium in which AB parallel to DC. The trapezium in which non-parallel sides are equal is called the isosceles trapezium. Non-parallel sides are equal. Non-parallel sides means this side. This side equals to this side. If AD is equal to BC, then BBC when we can say that it is the isosceles trapezium. So ABCD is the isosceles trapezium if AB parallel to BC and AD equals to BC. ABCD is an isosceles trapezium. ABCD is an isosceles trapezium when this is parallel to this and this non-parallel side means this side equals to this side. So this is a trapezium. Next thing is we will discuss upon the kite. Next is kite. It is also a type of a quadrilateral. Two pairs of equal adjacent side is a kite. Two pair of equal adjacent means this side equals to this side and this side equals to this side. So these are the two pair of equal adjacents. So EFGH is a kite. When it is a kite, if EF equals to EH and GH equals to GF, opposite sides are not equal. Opposite sides are not equal. This side is not equal to this side and this side is not equal to this side. The adjacent side, this side equals to this and this side equals to this. So EFGH is a kite when EF this equals to this and this equals to this. So this is a kite. Third is a parallelogram. Third is a parallelogram. MNOP. In both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Means MN parallel to PO and PM parallel to NQ. Both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Means MN parallel to PO and PM parallel to ON. Both the pairs of opposite sides are parallel. The opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Means MN equals to PO and PM equals to ON. The opposite angle M equals to angle O. This is the opposite angle. This is the opposite angle. This is the opposite angle. Opposite angles are equal and angle P equals to angle N. So this is all about the parallelogram. Parallelogram, the opposite sides are parallel to each other. Means MN parallel to pairs of opposite sides. These parallel to this and this parallel to this. MN equals to this and PM equals to ON. With addition, opposite angle are also equal. Angle N equals to angle O, angle P equals to angle N. So this is all about the parallelogram. Next is the rectangle. We will discuss about the rectangle. So in front of us we have a rectangle. Rectangle A, B, C and D. ABCD is a parallelogram in which all the angles are right angle is rectangle. A parallelogram in which if all the angles are right angles, so it will consist of rectangle in which ABCD is said to be rectangle. AB parallel to DC. AB parallel to CD. This side is parallel to this side. And AD parallel to BC. This side parallel to this side. These opposite sides are parallel to opposite side. If angle A equals to angle B equals to angle C equals to angle D, all are 90 degree. All are 90 degree. For a parallelogram to be rectangle, only one angle needs to be right angle. Rest the angles would also be right angle. See, if this become this only when any one angle is of 90 degree, rest of the angle will automatically become 90 degree. So a parallelogram is said to be rectangle if all the angles are 90 degree. So this will talk about the 90 degree. Next thing we will talk about rhombus. Next is rhombus. This is rhombus. If we talk about the rhombus, E, F, G, H. A parallelogram in which all the sides are equal. This is also a part of parallelogram. In a parallelogram, if all the sides are equal, this side equals to this side. It means all the sides are equal. EF equals to FG equals to GF equals to HG. All the sides are equal with additional EF parallel to HG. EF parallel to HG and HE. HE parallel to GF. HE parallel to GF. We can say that a rhombus. We can say that EFGH is a rhombus. EFGH is a rhombus. Next thing we will discuss about the square. The last thing we will discuss about the square. A rectangle in which all the sides are equal is a square. A rectangle opposite sides are equal, but if all the four sides are equal, we can say that it is a square. We can say that it is a square. So in front of us we have a square P, Q, R, S, in which all the sides are equal and PQ equal to QR equal to RS equal to SQ. This side equals to this side, this side equals to this side. All four sides are equal with additional angle P equals to angle Q, angle R equals to angle S. All these are of 90 degree. All these are of 90 degree. The thing which is only slightly change in rectangle and square is rectangle opposite sides are equal and square all the sides are equal. So we can say that PQRS is a square. In this way we have discussed about the types of quadrilateral. Thank you students.